What's up, Silky Smooth Gang? Back at you guys with another video. Today, guys, we're gonna be working on my Denali. The tires are bad. They made it 2 years, or probably 2.5 years. Well, this tire is the main one. If y'all can see, it's cracking. Look at that long crack, and then there's another one right here. So these were Venom tires. I had them for over 2 years. I never could really get them balanced right. So we're gonna try another route. I got the new tires in the backyard. They've been sitting there, forgot the name brand. I'll put it in the description. And yeah, so y'all ride with me today. We're gonna go get these tires knocked out. We'll see y'all right after this intro. Peace.
She said, hey mom, day job, I don't feel it. I need a race car, top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none.
See, here's the new tires, guys. These are Rough Masters by Greentrac. You can see I've been having them for a while, so they just been sitting in the backyard. But finally, it's time to put them on, and they're a little bit smaller. So maybe I can take the spacer off these, or well, hold on, let me find the number. These are 305 35 R26. So this is a 305. And then the Venoms were, these are 35s, and then they're 13.5 wide. So it's a wider tire also. So I had to run a small spacer, and maybe I can get rid of that now. Y'all see that spacer right there? So maybe I can get rid of that, because this tire is not as wide. It looks big off the truck, but it's a little bit smaller than these. So there's a little side-by-side comparison. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna get all these loaded up, and then we'll head over to my tire shop. Hopefully them guys aren't too busy, and we can get these things slapped on. I might also, I thought I seen a new scratch. I was finna go, what the kids done now? I might also go grab some brake caliber paint and paint these while they got the tires off, because it's about time to clean those up. So let me get them loaded up. All loaded up, let's go. See, if you look at my radar right there, see it kind of bouncing a little bit. So yeah, it's time to get these tires off of here. We kind of bouncing around a little bit. The steering wheel ain't shaking, but it's still it's like bouncing though. So we'll be there in like 2, 3, 1. Oh man. Alright, they're gonna get them knocked out and get them going. It's a little windy out here, guys, so I'm gonna just get little bits and clips for you guys. But we got it all jacked up, getting ready to pull them off. I was trying to ask the owner, can I paint out here while the wheels are off, so I can get this painted up and looking better. I got it scuffed up pretty good. Now I'm gonna put the adhesion promoter and spray primer.
Okay. Good.
Yeah.
What they talking about? I don't know.
Getting them knocked out, guys. This side like reacting funny, man. I might have to redo this one. I think the brake cleaner. Dang, man. Look at that. but I gotta hurry up because they almost done, so I might just have to leave it. Sucks. This one did pretty good. I put clear on this one, just a light coat, and then the rest of them are drying, and I'll go ahead and clear them and we'll be done. Almost ready, guys. Almost ready. I wanted to take the spacers off, but I couldn't, guys. It's still touching a little bit, so I had to put them back on there. But it's all good. Hopefully we ride a lot better now. That's what I'm hoping. It looks better with that white behind there. I need to get that tape off. I'll get it off later. It might come off. I'll get it off at home. Woo! Yes, sir. Got it done, guys. I was gonna show y'all while I was driving how much smoother it was driving, or rolling. So I got caught in the school traffic, guys. It was freaking crazy. Just trying to maneuver through all the traffic. But it's riding a lot better. I like it. They did a good job. And also they let me paint up there, so that was good. I'm gonna put some Armor All on there so y'all can get a better look at it. See how it looks. I need to go wash the whole truck, but I ain't got time right now, guys, because next video is gonna be a good one, a real good one, because I got a surprise for y'all. We might be bringing something else to the channel. And then look, the calibers look good. I like it. Let's get a little bit back, a little bit farther back view. Yes, sir. Well, there you go, guys. Appreciate y'all rocking with the Silky Smooth gang. Y'all already know the routine. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. Got distracted, guys, but here, this is how they look with the Armor All on there, with tire shine. So yeah, I still gotta go wash the truck. I'm gonna wait till that paint cures up, and then I'll wash the truck and polish the chrome wheels real good, and it'll look a lot better. But yep, we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.